This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rob Doncereau. Updated ranch-style home with 3 nice-sized bedrooms on almost an acre in Rocky Hill. Great open floor plan. All of the finishes have been refreshed with new luxury vinyl plank flooring and paint inside and out. New butcher block countertops, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and coffee bar in the kitchen. Renovated bathroom with new flooring and linen storage. Built-in shelving in the main hall. Conditioned storage room and 1-car carport. The patio off of the kitchen overlooks the private backyard. Storage buildings convey. This house has great natural light on a quiet cul-de-sac in the heart of West Knoxville. For more information, review the details below or contact Rob Doncereau at 865-5